Design a morning routine for yourself that reflects the life you want to live. Hello everyone. In this video, I will remind you or let you see why your morning routine is sabotaging your success. You will learn how to empower your day, elevate your life, and start with the first 60 minutes of your day. So, what I want to ask you is a simple question. How do you start your day? Because the first 60 minutes can either set you up for a fulfilled life or silently sabotage your momentum. You never thought that, right? So today, let's look at how your morning routine might hold you back and how to realign it using the 5 pillars of prosperity. The invisible sabotagers in your morning. Oh my God, they show up every morning. Number one, the one that all of us have used before. We sabotage our morning. This one is hitting the snooze button. That is a delay mindset. I'm leaving it, just another thing here, another little there. That's a delay mindset. Why are we doing that? But we are. So, and then if we do it, we might do it once, we do it twice. Are you guilty of that one? It's an invisible one, but we enable it by pressing that snooze button. Oh my God. Another one is you're still in bed and you're half asleep and you're groggy, but your phone was at the night table. So now you grab the phone and you begin to scroll through your phone. Look at those toes. That's awful. Look at her feet. Look at her hair. Look at her lips. Look at her nose. Oh, external control of your thoughts. You did it though. You are given the key to that who wants to sabotage your morning. And it's an external control of your thoughts. You say, okay, I'm going to do this. No, because you had the snooze on and now you scrolled for 10-15 minutes, you have to skip nourishment. You have to skip eating. So right there and then, you haven't even drank a glass of water and you realize, oh my God, it's a 2-minute shower if you remember to shower, if you have the time to shower. You're busy rushing, you have no water, you're dehydrated, you're rushing, you're sleeping, you're putting your shoes on while you're running out the door to the car or to catch the bus. You get there and you realize you forgot to put your makeup, you're in the car, you're driving and you're putting makeup. Weak physical start to your day, you haven't had anything. Yet, you're going somewhere where you have to make sure that you function. How are you functioning? So, reaching versus, creative. Like, what are you doing? You are reaching out and you're reacting to what is outside of you when you should be creating something for you. Are you starting your day with chaos or calmness? You are starting your day with chaos. Certainly not calm. You haven't drank water, you haven't done anything, you haven't eaten, you haven't completely dressed, you forgot, you didn't have time to shower, and it's just going from one disaster to the other. Your morning routine is being sabotaged by small things you do and you don't think much about it. I had one, I can fall asleep anytime, anywhere. I don't know, I can do this. So when I first retired, I slept until 11. I did that for a week. And at the end of the week, I'm saying, what is that? The train has left the building and I'm rushing to catch the day. So I stopped it and I changed my life by that little thing I did. I changed my life. So design a morning routine for yourself that reflects the life you want to live. I had to break it down for myself. And with the 3 pillars I had to touch for me to get this to work. And that's what I'm offering you today. I'm going to give you the hint about these 3 pillars that you can use to enable you to have a great morning routine that is not sabotaged by the little silly things like the snooze button. So just hold on. I am going to take you through those 3 powerful pillars that will enable you to live the life of your choice. If you're looking for someone to be a speaker at any of your events that you're planning, get in touch with me. My email address is right here, and you can contact me, and I would love to give you more about making life choices to you or any of the topic on living a fulfilled life. Have a great day. So let's get going. Physical. Move your body. You've been sleeping for a long time, on your side, on your back, or however, but your body needs a stretch, a walk, or breathe deeply. You have to do something to wake yourself up. Drink a glass of water right away before you brush your teeth. The enzymes or the bacteria in your mouth, your body wants it to help you digest the food. Take it down. Relax in that moment. Make sure that you're actually doing this. Move, stretch. I do 30 minutes of exercise, including stretching, some yoga stretches, sit-ups, and even wall-ups against the wall. So I do everything because I want to be flexible and physically fit and concentrate on my movement. Then spiritual. I align my heart with prayer, intention, connection with my guardian angel, with God. I spend 30 minutes in meditation and prayer every day. It feels better. I am connected. I am calmer. I am deeper. And I'm doing something that enhances me. I do not get angry. I do not fight with people about it. I let it go. They're okay. I am okay. We are all okay. We were made to be creatively different, spiritually. So mentally, I feed my mind. I journal. I journal every day. I journal, and I have a gratitude journal that I do for 2 minutes. What was spectacular and fabulous that happened yesterday that I love? I relive it in a story form. 2 minutes of writing about that experience makes you feel good. Then I again find 3 small things to be grateful for. I felt the breeze on my face yesterday. It was amazing. I enjoyed my walk, the conversation. You have to do that. It gives you something. And then you can look for a quote or an affirmation. Your habits are your silent architects. The habit you have, it is building the future you want to walk into. So your habit is like an architect, building, designing it, building the future you walk into. That's it. You're not going to get good at it if you don't do it every day or practice it. Then, have simple 3 morning reset plan that I have for you. That's it. Nothing big. Wake with intention. No snoozing. Say your affirmation. I am ready to meet this day with power and peace. Yeah. Wake up with intention. Leave the snooze button alone. Leave the phone there. Stand up. I am ready to meet this day with power and peace. Move before you scroll. Before you scroll, even 5 minutes of stretching or dancing resets your energy. I know. We get up and we're all so tired. And we can't. A little bit of stretching or dancing or moving, pulling the energy all over, it resets your energy. It makes you feel better. Own your thoughts. Own it. Write one thing you're grateful for and one goal for today. I call them goals. I do not have a to-do list anymore. I have a goal that I need to accomplish today. You need one of those. Own your own thoughts. Write one thing that you are grateful for and one goal. You see, you deserve a morning that loves you back. When your morning honors your emotional strength, your mental clarity, and your physical energy, your day becomes your canvas, not your battlefield. You got that? When your morning honors your emotional strength, mental clarity, and physical energy, your day becomes your canvas, not your battlefield. So, ask yourself, does your morning reflect the life you're building? If not, today is your day to reset it. How are you feeling about that? How are you feeling about that? So here is the one thing I want you to do. Share in the comments what one change will you make in your morning starting tomorrow. Don't forget, I am here every day helping you live a fulfilled life. So through the 5 pillars of prosperity. And let's do this. You can do it. I know you can. Have a wonderful and amazing day, because I know for sure that yes, you can.